Welcome back to Autoscope. The 2026 Suzuki Motorhome blends Suzuki's renowned practicality, efficiency, and small size. External design, Suzuki Style. The SUV maintains an aerodynamic and practical design while emphasizing its rugged look. Windows, large windows with blackout drapes or blinds to improve privacy that let in natural light and offer a good view of the outside world. Outside accessories, shade-producing retractable awnings that are electrically or manually operated. Easy access to the cabin area is made possible by side doors that slide or hinge. Usability and interior design. The front seats may move 180 degrees to become part of the living area while the car is parked. Living and sleeping area. Adaptability. A couch or other furniture that can be converted into a double bed or two single beds. There may be additional bed over the driver's area. Storage options include under-seat drawers, creative hidden storage closets, and overhead bins for clothing and personal belongings. Little kitchen. Among the appliances are a small sink with a water tap, a portable gas burner or single induction cooktop, and a small refrigerator or energy-efficient compressor cooler. Kitchen storage. A small cabinet used to store items like cutlery. Engine and performance. 1.5L to 2.0 all-gasoline engine used in some other Suzuki models, or 1.6L to 2.0 all-diesel engine, if combined with an engine owned by another manufacturer. Transmission. 5/6-speed manual gearbox or CVT, a conventional automatic. Front-wheel drive FWD for efficiency or Suzuki ALLGRIP for by-4 optional all-wheel drive AWD4. Greater cruising capacity on easier terrain are available drivetrain options. Suspension, modified to offer more stability when the RV is fully loaded and comfort over extended journeys. An inbuilt Wi-Fi hotspot optional, and a connection for charging electrical devices are examples. Of connectivity features, safety features include two front airbags, ABS and EBD are examples of braking systems.